Tra-la-la-la-la. Fuck!
God damn it, Luna. God damn it. What the hell is this? Greetings, traveler. My name is Renon. I am what you would call a demon. No, I am not an enemy. My job is to provide useful items for adventurers to the Dark Castle. It seems odd, I know, but one needs gold even in hell these days. Now, what do you require? Sign here. Greetings, sir. Wait, were you just narrating your entire scroll to me this whole time? Yes, well, most of it, of course. I didn't read the fine print. It's not important. That's what they all say. Good thing I found my glasses for this. No, wait, I said I'm not an enemy. Hello, YouTube, Zachnafinakinite here, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at one of my favorite props from a rather underrated video game in the Castlevania franchise, and it's Renon's scroll. Obviously, it's not that difficult of a build. You could very easily just do the distressed paper with a red ribbon and call it a day, but I wanted it to be a little more immersive and detailed than that. I'm not taking the easy way out here, or at all, in case some of you bastards were wondering. But, yeah, no. Let's get into it. So the ribbon itself is just maroon ribbon tied in a bow. In the game, it looks a little more like neon red almost. I wanted a darker red, though, just because, I don't know, it just looks better that way. Almost seductive type red. And I cut it at an angle and burned it with a lighter on both sides. Just because I don't want it separating on itself, making a mess. And like the skit, I always pull both the regular ends of a bow at the same time. That way, it just unties quicker. Pro tip for those of you out there who wear nothing but sweatpants and you're dying to get to the can. Or your dogs are barking and you just want to take your shoes off. But yeah, no, this is the scroll. And I distressed this sheet of butcher paper. Literally, you could use anything. I mean, you could peel this out of a sketchbook for all I give a rat's muff cracks. So, there's the whole thing. So I'm just going to show it to you at this angle instead because, I don't know, it's just a little less hectic this way, I guess. There's the fine print. Just going to weigh this one end down with the prop gun from the skit. But yeah, no, a lot of this dialogue is all inspired from the game with my own twist on it. And we've got the prices for everything here. Jesus God, the healing kit's worth more than the food. Talk about inflation. I don't know whether I'm going to assign anyone's signatures here. I could put Carrie, I could put Cornell, I could put Reinhardt. I could put all three, but I don't know. I left it blank for now. Maybe that'll change in the future. I don't know. But basically the paper has been crumpled and distressed with watered down custom brown paint water that I mixed up. which was left over from another project you have to look forward to in the near future. And all the dialogue was written with glossy black apple barrel acrylic paint. There's Luna. And yeah, it's not that difficult of a build. You know, it's I had a lot of fun making this. I definitely I wager you would too if you feel like giving this a shot for yourself. It's best if you sketch out the dialogue with pencil first, because if you screw this up, at least then it'll be a little easier to erase it and fix it. But yeah, no, it's an easy enough build. Anybody can do it, and I think everybody who's a fan of even some of the quote-unquote bad Castlevania games should give this one a chance, just because, I don't know, I think it's a nostalgia factor for me, at least, because I see this and I just think, okay, so if I look up from this, is Malice going to be sitting up in a tree playing the violin with his blue hair flowing in the wind, ready to just rain hell? I don't know, but yeah, no, this was a fun little project. I've just been doing a lot of the messier stuff lately, and yeah, that's all fun and good. I mean, who hasn't seen Peter Jackson's Brain Dead quite yet? You know, besides me, which, yeah, I know, I'm getting around to it. Okay, get off my ass. But yeah, even the somewhat more wholesome or just non-bloody props or whatever like this, it's not a challenge, but it's definitely it's a fun little break. And you're not gonna hear that from me quite a bit. The cat's playing with the ribbon. But yeah, if you like, please like. Feel free to share obscure little thoughts in the comments below, as well as to share the video itself. Subscribe if you wish to see more. Don't forget to hit the bell if you do. And as always, thank you so very much for watching, and I love you all.